Ah.
According to Hardy-Weinberg principle, the natural selection in different ways. The three important ways. What are that? No? Stabilizing, directional, and destructive. The three kind of ways the natural selection is formed. Because the Hardy-Weinberg principle is not accepted the which one natural selection theory. He used some that is a non-random selection and genetic drift and then mutation like that. In this way, how that the genetic number of individual with a phenotype form. What that is the phenotype and genotype we already know. That is the medium size forward. Here they have the three direction. First direction that is called stabilizing and second one directional and third one destructive. In the in this first one stabilizing, the best example given here picture, the peak get higher than narrower. That means I give one best example, the childbirth. During the childbirth, the low birth weight child is easily affected to the any kind of if any organism is affected, the child mean is easily affected. That is the first one, the low birth weight. And second one, low birth, and second one, high weight. In case the baby is have more weight, is the that is the delivery also is have some problem because the progeny that is the offsprings have more weight in between. Some problem is there in the delivery season time also. And then the low another one low birth. In the low birth the child is easily affected the all those kind of diseases. And the high weight of the child, the more weight of child, this is the delivery time is have problem in the progeny. In the medium size only is easily is come to that is surveil in the environment and easily tolerate all those things. So that I given here example in the childhood birth. The low birth is easily affected. In the that is the weight is more. This is delivery is also have some problem. In the medium size only is surveil on the air. So that in this case also the first one is the stabilizing. Which one is the stabilizing? The medium size to only get peak. That is the ratio is increased. That is the peak get higher and narrower. Which one is the medium sized? This is called stabilizing. This is stabilize the environment. How that natural selection is stabilize the environment. The first one stabilizing. I given here one example, the childbirth. And second one directional. Directional means the peak shift in one direction. One particular direction it shifted. The example for this directional, that is the in the mice or mouse. We have taken the any kind of organism, mice or mouse. First, this side is a light organism. Example, we have take the mice or mouse. In the light organism in this side, in the middle, it having the light darker. Light darker. In the corner, it have dark organism or dark microbes like this. In this case, what that happened? No, the peak shift to one direction. In case any problem is there, in the which one is affected? No, the light organism, the light mouse only is affected. Is which one compare with the which one? The dark and the light dark. Because these are having the ability to surveil on the earth, ability to handle in the natural selection, so that it surveil. So that the light mouse is deleted. Which one is the surveil in the environment? No, the light and the light dark and the dark one. And last one disruptive. In the disruptive case, what that happened? No, that the extreme, the both the extreme it developed. In this side light, in this side dark mouse. In this side light mouse, in this dark mouse. The both side is which one developed? Which one is disappear? No, the middle side. The middle side only disappear, and then it form two peak. Form for two peak. This is for example for natural selection. Natural selection is formed by the three important ways. First one stabilizing. How that organ or baby or any other plant animal, how that stabilize the environment. I give the birth, so the childhood birth, the low birth weight is easily affected, and then is having the more weight that also have problem in the delivery time. Those are having the middle weight in the childhood only. Those are surveyed in the environment. And this is the first one example. And second one directional. directional, it shift into one direction because the light mouse is affected. The light dark and dark mouse only is available in the environment. That is the peak shifted into, that is the one direction. This is the one direction it moved. And last one, destructive. Destructive means it formed that the two extreme sides is developed and the middle one is affected. Because in the extreme side, the two extremes, it have the light mouse, this side have the dark mouse. And which one is affected? No, the middle side it have no middle side some, that is the light dark mouse only affected that one. This is for the disruptive example. And another one example also is for disruptive type, that is in the lizard. The lizard it have no, the large lizard it affected, that in case any eagle will come in, is easily come and catch it. In the middle size also, in the small size also, easily taken go some other organism. Which one is not affected? No, in the small size, medium size only. Like this also, another one example also is the plant. The plant, which one the tall trees is easily get the sunlight, but is not is it develop. In the middle size only, no, the middle size only it get sunlight and photosynthesis. In the small size, no, the small size plant is not easily get sunlight and as well as in the photosynthesis. If the which one is surveying the earth, the middle size only. That is for the stabilizing and directional and disruptive. The natural selection is issued in the different way. The Hardy Weinberg principle, our book given some one important picture. This one was important question. How that is in the natural selection is used for in the different way. First one stabilizing, directional, and last one disruptive. I given three examples here. One is childbirth, and second one the mouse. The light mouse is easily affected, and last one the tall plant and small lizard. The small medium size lizard only easily escaped, and another remaining the tall big lizard and small lizard is easily affected to some other organism. This is for information for natural selection in different ways.